And thank you for using Delta, guys. Look at this, we have this message. Click here, all scripts are aided successfully. What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this video I'll be showing you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and go to this website and search Delta Executor. Okay, and now we must enter our username. So let me enter mine quickly. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait a little bit. As you can see, user found, just click connect and click here import latest Delta Executor, and now we must select our script that you want to add to your account, guys. Let me click continue and let's wait a little bit, guys. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and this is the best working method for Delta Executor. Okay, AP success. Just scroll down and click verify now and let's wait a little bit for this redirecting, guys. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Okay, just click here, click proceed, and it will start the loading from the official publisher with the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So, guys, I will just download this, just play and swag back. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this status complete, success, almost redirecting. Okay, so let's wait a little bit for this redirecting, guys, and let's see. Okay, guys, injection successful. If you have this message, that's it. Let me test my Roblox and let's see if we have Delta Executor. Okay, I will now play this Gorgaron. Okay, and let me show you. Okay, guys, look at this, we have this panel, and thank you for using Delta, guys. Look at this, we have this message. Click here, all scripts are aided successfully. Just click execute and let's wait a little bit for this script. Okay, and as you can see, scripts are aided successfully, guys. That's pretty much it for this review. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next. Bye.